Hello and welcome to AutoFed. This is your host Abhimanyu, and TVS Racing just dropped a bomb by introducing a new one-make championship specifically for rookies. Now what that means is that more number of championships will be held alongside the Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship, and that simply translates to more number of opportunities for riders who want to develop themselves, take a part in the national level and then eventually reach international level. Now this championship is going to be fairly different from the currently running TVS One Make Championship Novice category, which uses the naked Apache RTR 200s. This new championship will be using new motorcycles, more track focused, more race prepared, and also will use a different selection process. We are going to talk about the selection process and the motorcycle in just a bit, but before that I just want to request you that if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please pause this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm very much sure that you will find something to like about the channel. We have race onboards, we have MotoGP tech videos, we have different videos explaining championships and categories of Indian racing, so I'm just sure that you will like something about the channel. And on top of that, we post new videos every week, so just go and subscribe to the channel right now. And let's talk about the details of this new rookie championship one by one. The selection event will be held on 14th of August at Madras Motor Racetrack, Chennai. You just have to go to tvsracing.com to register, fill up your name, city, email ID, mobile number, height in centimeter, blood group, and then just agree to the rules and regulations of the event. Hit the submit button and you're done for this form. Next up is the eligibility criteria. Now if you are under 19 years of age and above 13 years of age, you can take part in this championship. Since you are a minor, at the selection event you have to be accompanied by your parent or a guardian. That's a must. You will be asked to bring a few documents along with you, and of course a negative RT-PCR COVID test which is not more than 72 hours old. The documents of course will be one identity proof, then one age proof, and third will be a 11 verse certificate from an accredited FMSCI Racing Academy. After you are done filling all the details in the form, you just have to realize that you are in fact eligible for the selection event. Then you have to message a number that they've given in the rules and regulation sheet. The TVS guys will then revert back with the details of the payment. You have to make the payment of 1000 rupees, which includes the training by TVS Racing Championships, the race machine mini Apache RTR with track time of course, and then they'll also give you a TVS Racing t-shirt and some meals during the event. One important thing to notice is that this time all the racing gears, that is the suit, boot, gloves, protectors and helmet, have to be arranged by the rider himself. This is kind of different from what we used to see for the novice category in the TVS One Make Championship. Earlier, TVS Racing used to rent out gears, especially the suit and the boots, on first come first serve basis, but just make sure this time that you have arranged all the gears by yourself. Now finally, let's talk about the most interesting thing and the biggest difference in this championship, the motorcycle. Now the biggest change that you will see on this motorcycle is the race fairing. Along with the race fairing comes racing foot pegs and the racing seat. Now the engine is the same 200cc unit from the naked Apache RTR 200, but there might be a few changes in terms of mapping. The exact power and torque figures have not been disclosed yet, but the engine will be mated to the same 5-speed transmission. Now two another major differences will be in terms of the rubber and the suspension. Now this motorcycle gets adjustable upside down forks, and the tires will be the Grip Air TVS Eurogrip tires. So that's everything you need to know about the new TVS Rookie Championship. If you have any more questions, you can comment down below, and also don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might be interested in racing or this TVS championship. That's it for this video from my side. I will see you guys in the next one.
I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to sun these boys, can't leave them blasters. A lot of dudes, just some under